step is to apply foundation, and today I'm going to be applying the Jbunzie Beauty Foundation, but if you have troubled skin, I really recommend the IT Cosmetics Your Skin is Better CC Cream. And if you just want a lighter coverage in general, the First Aid Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer is fantastic. So those are my recommendations. Next, I'm applying some concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Next, apply some powder, and the one I'm using is Airspun, and it is fantastic. So I'm going to be taking the color Drive in the Tardiest palette, and I'm going to be putting that all over my eyes. So next we're going to curl our eyelashes. If you want to wear like fake lashes, go ahead and do that. But I feel like this look is so natural looking. I really just recommend using your real lashes, what mama gave you. So now I'm taking Better Than Sex mascara and applying that on. Now I'm going to be applying just a little bit of mascara on the outer corners of my bottom lashes. So not even all of my lashes. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of blush, and I recommend just, being very light-handed with it so it doesn't look artificial. So what we're going to be overdoing is the highlighter, so go crazy on it. I think a lot of highlighter looks fantastic with this look. Okay, put some in the inner corner if you have very dark eyes, like I do. So for the eyebrows, I really recommend going as natural as possible. If you have gaps that you want to fill in, go ahead and fill those in.